In the first instance, from the air, the helicopter from Guerraer, the air patrol group of the military police of the state of Goiás, Brazil, begins tracking a black pickup truck moving suspiciously. Upon receiving a stop order from the ground teams and failing to obey, the suspect undertakes a dangerous escape, initiating a risky chase through busy residential areas. The chase demonstrates perfect tactical coordination. Between the air and ground units, the helicopter's shadow is clearly projected onto the ground, right behind the pickup truck, exerting immense psychological pressure on the fugitive. Simultaneously, police vehicles on the ground begin to close in from multiple directions, making the suspect's escape attempt virtually impossible. The chase ends when two police cars successfully intercept the pickup truck. The suspects are quickly subdued and arrested. The lesson learned. Fleeing from law enforcement is an extremely dangerous and futile decision. This not only dramatically increases the risk of a tragic accident for oneself, the police, and the public, but also leads to far more severe legal consequences. The efficient coordination of police units demonstrates that escape is nearly impossible, and cooperating with the authorities is always the safest and most sensible choice.
Yes, senhores. You?
The patrol begins on the Canal de Cocaia Road, where the RPM SUL team spots an individual driving a Honda CB 500X motorcycle without a license plate. Upon realizing he was about to be approached, the suspect immediately accelerated to flee, initiating a dramatic chase. The chase intensifies on the uphill climbs. The suspect uses the CB500X's engine power to gain distance. However, on straightaways, the officer's skill in riding the XR300 allows him to close in quickly, giving the fugitive no chance to escape. The chase escalates when the Eagle 21 police helicopter appears in the sky to provide backup. The presence of the aircraft caused a frenzy among the spectators who were cheering. Now, with aerial surveillance, all of the suspects' escape routes are blocked.
Bora, Phil! Apoio. Vai, Vi, para! Para! Para, cara! Para, filha! Deita no chão! Deita no chão! Deita! 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 Deita no chão, cara!
In an attempt to escape, the individual from the south enters a street that was closed and falls off the motorcycle, then tries to flee on foot but is immediately apprehended by the police officer. The decision to flee from a minor infraction led to a series of dangerous acts, creating a serious risk to the community and resulting in total fines exceeding $15,000, in addition to the vehicle being impounded. This is a costly lesson about the importance of obeying the law and the serious consequences of resisting authority.